Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your American Express credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box at the top, type in www.americanexpress.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official website of American Express, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the login button in blue. Now, you'll end up in the login area on the next page. Go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text box and head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. Right underneath, you'll be able to see a drop down. Once you click it on, select Cards-My Account option, and if you'd like the system to remember your credentials, click on Remember Me box. But make sure to leave it unchecked before logging in if you're using a public or a shared device. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on Forgot User ID or Password link and follow the instructions in order to look for your username or to reset your password. If you've not created an online account yet on American Express, click on Create New Online Account link and follow the instructions. After entering all of the credentials, click the Login button and you'll be able to log in and get access to your American Express credit card account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.